have my washer machine running. And I'm sorry for the stuttering, it's early. I'm a real person, I stutter. As you can see, I have my studio nice and set up for lashes. My first client of the day is lashes. Then I have some waxing as well. I'll include all of that in that video. But basically today is gonna be a day in the life of an esthetician. I am currently a student going to school for esthetician. To become an esthetician, I'm learning waxing, facials, lashes. I am already certified in doing lashes, so I do practice that for a living. And if that is something that is of your interest, then definitely subscribe to my channel, because we're going to be talking a lot about that here. So I just want to show you guys real quick what I'm gonna start incorporating. Like, I'm going above and beyond for my clients, and today's client is Roxanne. She is getting hybrid lashes, which are $135, and henna brows, which are $50, and she gave a $35 deposit. So her total is $150. And then I noted that I cannot forget to give her a loyalty card and give her her Christmas gift, because I am giving all my guests that booked on the week of Christmas, I'm giving them a gift. And then the most important goal of the entire appointment is to try to rebook her 2 weeks from today for lashes again on December 29th. And that is something that I am going to start incorporating so I can keep these customers on rotation. It's up to me to enforce that on them. And then I have my bed covered, I have the pillow covered, already disinfected my tweezers, took out some lashes. Here I have my speaker charging. And then on here I have her loyalty card, which I already punched. And I got these loyalty cards on Amazon. And then this is the lash bath that I am also going to try to sell her for $25 so she can take care of her lashes amazingly. You guys, I'm gonna be on point with my business. Like, 2022, we're making 6 figures from the comfort of our home. Remember, that is the goal. So yeah, later on I'm gonna show you guys what I got for Black Friday. I got something from Lovely. Where did I get something from? Lovely Lashes and Paris Lash Academies. So keep watching the video. Should be interesting, you guys. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notified every time that I upload a video. I don't only upload this kind of content. I also upload weight loss videos. I talk about my struggles being a single mom. And if that's something that's of your interest, then make sure to subscribe. Until the next one, guys. So I wanted to show you guys what was in the gift bags that I'm gonna be giving away my clients who booked more than 2 services on the week of Christmas. So this is a lip mask. There is 2 sheet masks in here. This is a hyaluronic acid bubble face mask, a bath bomb, a body butter, which I made myself, and then these little TLC tea packets from my neighbor, just helping her out in her business. And then I have my tissue paper and my bag in here. So it's nothing crazy, but just enough to make them feel happy. So I'm about to pack that right now. this is what it looks like when it is inside the bag. Nothing crazy, but just enough. Okay, y'all, so I just took a shower and got ready. I like to wear scrubs to work, even though I am working from home, as you can tell by my studio, by my lobby area, by my bathroom, by the way that I handle my business. I like it to be strictly professional, 100%. Most of my clients that come in tell me that it doesn't even feel like they are in my home, which, because in a way, technically they're not, but they still are in a way as well. So I just try to be as professional as possible. So wear scrubs. It represents who you are. So yeah, that's what I like to wear. Before I take my client, I actually have to pick up my son from school because he is in a 2-hour program in the morning for his speech delay. He takes 2 hours speech therapy every single day, and then I drop him off at the daycare, and then I take my clients, do what I have to do, and then I go and pick him up at the daycare. So as you can see, your girl is super busy, and this is why I choose to be my own boss, because I get to handle my schedule how I want. Before I pick him up, I'm just having a naked juice and some boiled eggs, super quick and easy. And then you guys know I'm an esthetician, and you guys know I'm in esthetician school as well. So tomorrow, Saturday, we are taking a test, which is called soap versus cleanser, and I am studying for that while I eat really quick. So I will see you guys in a bit. So I just got home from picking up my son at his program and dropping him off at the daycare while I'm at work. I have 1 hour until my client gets here, so I'm going to study for my test that I have tomorrow on Saturday, because I do have class on Saturday all day. And I also want to show you guys the most precious gift that my son gave me for Christmas. He gave me this little triangle with his picture on it. How cute is this? We put it right on the Christmas tree. We got a mini Christmas tree this year. I'll show you guys my little Christmas setup. Nothing crazy. We call this guy Elfie. My son got him last year at his daycare. But this is a little Christmas setup. Nothing crazy. Until we move to our new apartment. When we move to our new apartment, then we will get a big setup. But this does the job. I love the little gift he got me. My son is the cutest little thing. The funnest part of working for yourself is being able to wear whatever you want. And I do like to keep it professional, but I'm wearing these, you guys, because I like to be comfortable. If you are a lash tech, then you know that it takes a if you are a lash tech, then you know it takes a strain in your body, and this just makes it more comfortable. It feels like I'm barefoot, and clients are barefoot because they have to come in with no shoes on, so it makes them feel not uncomfortable, like we're on the same level because we're both not wearing any shoes. Mad at the fact he ain't with you. Mad at the fact that it's me. Let me put that down before I get demonetized. I just came on here to rant and to vent and to let you guys know the real deal of being a business owner. So I have an appointment today. You guys already know I broke everything down to you guys. I am waiting on her. Her appointment was at 12 o'clock and she is still not here. It is 12:01, which is okay. I do give my clients a 15-minute grace period. She told me that she was in some traffic, which is a lie because it's 12 o'clock. There's no traffic at this time. Like, kids don't get out of school until 2:30, 3 o'clock. I was just out and about. There's no traffic, but you know, people are late. So let's see if she makes it on time. I told her that I have an appointment right after her, which my appointment is picking up my son from school. So you better arrive on time, girl. I will let you guys know. 11 and the client is still not here. I did touch base with her like I said earlier. She said she was in traffic. Mind you, I sent a confirmation message saying please arrive on time because I have appointments after you and we want to make sure we do a full session of lashes. Because if not, you're just going to leave here like you have a full set. Because I'm stopping when I need to stop. I'm not going to make somebody else late because you want to be late. So I decided, I was just talking to my classmate who has turned into my friend. And for January of 2022, I am enforcing late fees. If you are over 15 minutes late, you're going to get charged $25. So it's up to you. Let's see, I got a message. Let's see if she's here. Oh, she's here. All right, I'll see you in a little bit, guys. Eyelash extensions looking amazing. She might think they're too much, but they're not. She just gotta get used to them. Welcome to the vlog. So today I am bringing you guys a day in the life of a lash tech or an esthetician. Today I am not doing lashes. I have a few clients and they are getting full face wax as well as eyebrows. And here is one of my clients.
Hi guys.
The lady, she is about to be TikTok famous. So you guys need to follow her. I'm gonna put her TikTok right here. And she's also a fashion blogger. So I'm gonna put her Instagram here too so you guys can follow her.
At dbella.
Say it again.
dbella _____.
So yeah, I'm gonna wax her face and I'm gonna let you guys watch the whole thing. I'm not gonna talk about what wax I use, what products I use, nothing like that. I'm just gonna let you guys see me in action. So this is the steamer that you guys just saw me build. I love it. I got it on Amazon for only $80. I will link it in the bio. And this wraps up the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and sticking with me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and to ring the bell. And to click the bell so you can get notified. So you can get notified every time that I upload a video. Thanks for watching.